Good girl. Oh, there you can swim. Very good. Good girl.
I like how she
Let's
shook
do
and
that
then
again.
dropped the stick. There it is.
There we go.
That's a lot.
Whoa. Oh, did it sink?
It's sunk.
I think it's sunk.
She's very confused. Oh, there's a tennis ball. Oh no! Midnight.
Midnight, go.
Look at the tennis ball. Can you see it?
Go get the ball.
Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, she'll get it. She's going to find it. I think Midnight is not happy about being on that side.
Come on, Midnight. She's just smelling stuff.
Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Gal, right here. Come on, over here. Let's go.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you can do it, Midnight. Oh my goodness. Good girl.